Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern training and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. In this video, we bring you the most inspiring and stylish wardrobe design ideas for your home. We will showcase the latest trends and innovative designs that will transform your bedroom or dressing area into a functional and chic space. Whether you are minimalistic or love luxurious details, we have got something for everyone. Explore a variety of wardrobe styles including walk-in closets, sliding door wardrobes, built-in cabinets, and more. Our expert tips and design inspiration will help you make the most of your available space while enhancing the aesthetic of your home. Once again, I request you don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interior design inspiration, home decor tips and ideas. If you have any question or want to see specific wardrobe design themes in future videos, leave a comment below. Let's get started on creating your dream wardrobe. Designing a modern wardrobe can be a rewarding project, but there are several common mistakes to avoid to ensure you achieve a functional and aesthetically pleasing result. Here are some of the most common mistakes when designing modern wardrobes in detail. Number 1. One of the biggest mistakes is not taking the time to plan properly. Rushing into a wardrobe design project without considering your needs, available space, and budget can lead to costly errors. Take the time to measure your space, create a design plan, and set a realistic budget. Number 2. A modern wardrobe should not only look great but also be highly functional. Failing to consider your storage needs can result in insufficient space for your clothes, shoes, and accessories. Make a list of what you need to store and design the interior accordingly with shelves, drawers, hanging space, and compartments. Number 3. Good lighting is crucial in a wardrobe. Inadequate or poorly placed lighting can make it difficult to see your clothing, leading to a frustration and mistakes in outfit selections. Include proper lighting solutions such as LED strips or motion active lights to illuminate the interior. Number 4. Wardrobes can become musty if there is inefficient ventilation. Ensure there are adequate air vents or consider using materials that allow for airflow. This helps prevent odors and moisture buildup which can damage clothing. Number 5. The type of doors you choose for your wardrobe can greatly impact the overall design. Sliding doors are space-saving but might not be suitable for all situations. Swing door requires extra space to open fully. Consider the available space and your aesthetic preferences when choosing wardrobe doors. Number 6. The wall behind the wardrobe often gets overlooked. Leaving it unfinished or not considering its appearance can result in an incomplete look. You can choose to paint, wallpaper, or use a decorative finish on this wall to complement your wardrobe. Number 7. Modern wardrobes should make the most of both horizontal and vertical space. Neglecting the vertical space can lead to wasted storage potential. Use tall units and consider installing shelves or storage units up to the ceiling. Number 8. Selecting the wardrobe material can lead to durability issues and a mismatched aesthetic. Ensure that the materials you choose are suitable for the wardrobe's intended use that can match the style of your space. Number 9. Accessibility is crucial, especially if you have a lot of items to store. Make sure you can easily reach everything within the wardrobe. Utilize pull-out drawers, pull-down drawers, and adjustable shelving to improve accessibility. Number 10th and the last one is, while functionality is important, aesthetic matters too. Neglecting the overall design and aesthetic can result in a wardrobe that feels out of space in your place. Consider a style, color, and finish of the wardrobe to ensure it complements your room's design. By avoiding common design mistakes and adhering to these principles, you can create a modern wardrobe that not only meets your practical storage needs but also elevates the style and functionality of your living space. The key is to strike the right balance between form and function to achieve a wardrobe that enhances your daily life. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.